Hello students, we have the question here. In the adjoining figure, the angle of elevation from a point P of the top of the tower QR 50-meter high is 60 degree and that of tower PT from a point Q is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower PT. Now this is your tower PT and here we have tower QR and the height of the tower QR is 50 and the angle of elevation is here 60 and the angle of elevation for PT is 30. So first thing what we can find out, we need to find out PT, but before that first thing we can find out PQ. Now we can see that here this is the angle given and perpendicular is given, base is given. Base we need to know, so let us take that base is x. So from here I can write in triangle PQR 10 60 is your perpendicular upon base, so 50 over x, or x can be written as 50 over 1060. Now the value of 1060 is, you know, that 50 upon root 3. Okay, now we come in triangle. I will take in triangle PTQ. Now from here I can write 1030. Let 1030 is perpendicular here, this is 10, here 30, and 1030 will be perpendicular upon adjacent. So adjacent is your x, so here I can write x. Now I need to find out PT, so I can write x into 1030 is your PT. Now the value of x we have calculated is 50 by root 3 and the value of 1030 is 1 over root 3, that is equal to PT, or I can write PT equals to 50 over 3. Now we can divide this 50 over 3, so we will get here 16 whole number 2 over 3 meters. Our question is, a man observes the angle of elevation of the top of the tower to be 45. So let us make a tower first. Now it is given that the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 45. So here I am making, this is your angle. Now here I can make the angle. This is our 45. Now it is given that on covering 20 meters, now he is covering 20 meters, the angle of elevation changes to 60. So if you are going towards here, then the angle will increase. So it means he is covering towards the tower 20 meters. Okay, he covered 20 meters. Let us take that he was at point A, now he is at point B. So the distance between A and B is 20 meters and then the angle of elevation changes to your 60 degree. So from here if I will make a triangle, this angle of elevation will be your 60. Now we need to find the height of the tower. So to find the height of the tower, now first I am taking the height of the tower as h and this base is x. Okay, so I can take AB, here I can name it as C and this as D. So we have two triangles here. First I am taking triangle in triangle BCD. Now the relationship between x and h, we have angle given, so from here I can take tan theta. Tan theta is the relationship between perpendicular and base, so here tan 60 will be your h upon x, perpendicular upon base, or we can write root 3, tan 60 is root 3, x is multiplied on this side, so h equals to 10 root 3. Now I am taking the bigger triangle. In bigger triangle, in triangle A CD. Now it is given that 1045. I am taking 1045. Perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is again h and base is your 20 plus x. So from here 1045 is 1. So if 1045 is 1, I can write 20 plus x is your h, because here the value of 1045 is 1. So now in place of x, I need to solve for h, so better in place of x I can substitute h upon root 3. See, from here in place of x I can write h upon root 3. So the same I am writing here. In place of x I will write h by root 3 equals to h. Now I am taking on that side. So here 20 equals to h minus h upon root 3. Or we can write 20. Now h if I factor out, so I will get root 3 and I am taking LCM. So 1 root 3 minus 1. Or h can be written as from here 20 root 3 upon root 3 minus 1. Now we can rationalize it. To rationalize, I will multiply with root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So here now we will get h equals to your 20 root 3 multiplied with root 3 plus 1, and in denominator I will have root 3 square minus 1. So root 3 square will be 3 minus 1. Now 3 minus 1 will be 2 basically. So 20 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 upon 2. This cancels out. I will get 10 here. So I will have 10. Root 3 value is 1.732 and root 3 plus 1 will become 2.73. So multiplying this, you will get the answer. Our question is the horizontal distance between two towers is 140. So let us make first two towers. This is our first tower and this is second tower, and the distance between them is 140. So here if I am making the distance between them is 140 meters. Now it is saying the angle of elevation of the top of the first tower when seen from the top of the second tower is 30. It means your second tower is smaller because it is looking up to the first tower. Angle of elevation is when you look up. So this will be our first tower. This is going to be our first tower. First tower, this is, and this is our second tower. Now from the first tower, from the second tower, when we are looking up, the angle of elevation is 30. So from here to here, this will become 30 degree. If the height of the second tower is 60 meters, now it is already given the height of the tower is 60 meters. So from here to here, it is given 60 meters. We need to find out the height of the first tower. So we need to find out this height. So if this part is 60, let us name this as A, B, C, D, E. So if AB is 60, DC will be 60. So from here I can write if AB is 60, then DC will be also 60 meters. Now let us take that ED is H. Okay, this is 60 meter. So ED, we can suppose that it is H meter. We can assume that it is lit. Now the height of the tower will be H plus 60. So first thing we need to calculate your H. Now you can see here that BC is 140, so AD will be also 140. So from here I can write BC equals to AD equals to 140 meters. Now what we can have is in triangle AED. In triangle AED, I can take 10, 30 equals to perpendicular is h and base is 140. 10, 30 is 1 over root 3 equals to h upon 140, or h can be written as 140 by root 3. So height of the tower height will be your 60 plus 140 over root 3. Now we can take LCM. So root 3, here you will have 60 root 3 plus 140, or simplifying it, or what we can do, it will be easier if I multiply root 3 here also and root 3 here also. So I will get 60 plus 140, root 3 value is 1.732 over 3. Now we can solve this and we can get our answer.